What is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY project today. I actually went to the thrift store. I went to Value Village and I came across this refillable lamp. So I'm going to be doing a DIY project with this. Find this refillable lamp at Value Village for $14.99. Isn't too bad considering these refillable lamps are pretty expensive. I did go online to research how much this one would go for. So I saw like $140 to $230 or more. So $14.99, I'm definitely not going to complain. I do have it all loosened and everything because I'm going to be filling this baby up with some goodies, so I'm really excited about that. So the lamp did come with a lampshade, but the one that was on this lamp was kind of damaged and like scraped up, so I ended up using one of my lampshades that I already had. What I'm going to be filling this refillable lamp up with is some flowers. So I have tons of black roses, red roses around my house. Ended up taking some of my flowers that I had around my house and cutting off the tops of the roses and that. So these flowers are all different. Ooh, I have like this black rose here. Then I have like this red rose here. I have like this black flower here. Different types of like black and red flowers here. I might throw the black leaves in also because I don't know, it might look cool. I'm not sure, but if it doesn't, I'll just take them out. So have this skull rib cage. I actually took this off of one of my skeleton dudes, the wooden one that I bought at Dollar Tree. So I have an idea of how I want to decorate my lamp and my lampshade. I'm gonna make it look gothic and like vampire. Y'all know what I mean? That's my style, so it's an accident waiting to happen. Like, took this off. So I have all that to shove the flowers in, and then you guys are gonna see me like screw it all back together. My flowers are all in the bag here. So I'm just gonna start grabbing just flowers. So I'm just gonna put that in here. Looking cute. Like, this is so awesome. If I should add more or what? I don't know if I should add the little like stem parts or not. I don't know. Looks kind of cool. So I'm just gonna like put them upwards. All right. You see what that looks like. That looks so cool. Like, look at this. Oh, it's the hard part and screwing everything back on. So this is not gonna be fun for me. I put like everything back in there. Now I'm just gonna screw it back together and tighten it. I just gotta use my wrench and tighten it. I hate this wrench. Look at the size of this thing. I don't like it. I'm not even using it properly. I don't even know. Come on. My freaking arm hurts. Enough with yourself. It's not moving anymore. So that's a good thing. So I was thinking of painting it like red or something, but then I'm like, wouldn't that make my room look dark? I was like, nah, I won't do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my skull rib cage from earlier and I'm going to glue it, I think, right there. So then it goes on and it looks like a Gothic vampire lamp. So I think that would be pretty freaking cool. So it's my glue gun. This is a big motherfucker. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna see where I want to place it. So this is what it looks like. It looks freaking awesome. I feel like Martha Stewart. Out with Home Decor by Amber. This looks so freaking cool with the flowers and the rib cage. Like,